ProjectPro. For the really important projects, bring in the pros. Hi, I'm Kelly Lang, Director of Value-Added Services for OneSource Distributors. I'm here at our corporate headquarters and home of our Project Packaging Division, the team that brings ProjectPro to you. So what exactly is ProjectPro? Let's take a look. ProjectPro provides value engineering, takeoff, and product management services for complex projects. Our Project Packaging Division is nationally recognized as a leader in engineered lowest total cost solutions. But why should you consider ProjectPro? Well, as you probably already know, there's a lot to deal with on large complex projects. There are many things to get right and expedite. Proposals can be unsuccessful due to incomplete or poor submittals and pricing, inadequate proof of USA-based content for government jobs, or equipment configurations that are just not competitive. And once awarded, a complex project can experience serious cost overruns, holdbacks, and penalties if suppliers lack project planning, coordination, and expediting skills to ensure on-time delivery of specified equipment. But that's not all. You need the flexibility of options for a winning strategy. Since project managers and engineers have a lot to deal with, they often look to manufacturers for engineering support, equipment configuration, and pricing strategies. But using that approach, your options can be limited to one manufacturer. And that's why you need ProjectPro. Our experienced team can evaluate different manufacturing options and configurations for the application, supply the winning value solution, and expedite logistical details that are so critical in on-time and on-budget performance. So now let's talk with Amarjo Chima, our Vice President of the Project Packaging Division, about how OneSource is able to deliver for customers on large projects again and again.
Well, Kelly, it's a great question. We look at the project. It depends on the needs of the customer, and we always strive to provide a cost-favorable solution to our customer. Either it's meeting their need to solve a problem, or they are trying to reduce costs to be successful on an overall bigger project, or combination of both. Kelly, we have a lot of project managers on staff, and we also have project specialists. They have the required skills to look at plans and specs and apply their skills to come up with a winning solution for our customers. And then also, project managers have the skill set to make sure once the order is secure to expedite and deliver that solution in a timely manner that I believe gives us a competitive advantage when we go after these projects. We manage more complex infrastructure type projects. Water, wastewater is a big segment for us, mining, utilities, and other large military projects which have complex pieces of equipment. Range of products, high voltage switchgear, medium voltage switchgear, big transformers, substation transformers, transfer switches, motor control centers, PLCs, UPS, and any other complex engineered equipment. I think the key is to have the right people, and we are very proud of the team we have assembled here at OneSource in the Project Packaging Division. These people have the skills to value engineer solutions for our customers and service the orders we secure for our customers. That's very simple. They can call into any one of our sales centers and ask to be connected to the ProjectPro team, or they can get their account manager engaged.
Well, that's ProjectPro in a nutshell. And if you want to learn more, you can download our ProjectPro value-added publication from www.onesourcedis.com. Now here's a quick message from our chairman and founder, Bob Zamarripa.
Hi, I'm Bob Zamarripa, co-founder of OneSource Distributors. Back in 1983, when Paul Judge and I co-founded OneSource, we had one single goal: reduce our customers' total operating costs. Today, almost 30 years later, we're still accomplishing that goal by leveraging our expertise in distribution services, materials management, logistical services, sub-assembly, and outsourced manufacturing. I want you to take a moment to experience the full suite of value-added services that OneSource Distributors has to offer. But back to our subject. I certainly hope you've learned about how OneSource's ProjectPro services can provide you the highest quality products at the most economical solutions for your large projects. Now here's Kelly to tell you how you can get started with OneSource's ProjectPro.
Timely and complete proposal information, a winning product engineering strategy, and project management, including logistical support. So if you're interested in engaging OneSource's ProjectPro team on your next project, call this number. You've got a lot to deal with when it comes to important projects, so bring in the pros. OneSource ProjectPro.